Attention dropshippers! Are your ads falling flat? Stay tuned to discover the game-changing strategies that will elevate your dropshipping success. Welcome back, dropshipping entrepreneurs! Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: common ad mistakes that can hinder your dropshipping success. Let's dive right in. 1. Lack of targeting. One common pitfall is failing to define and target your audience effectively. Market research is your ally. Identify your ideal customer profile and leverage targeting options on platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. 2. Poor ad design. Don't underestimate the power of visual appeal. Invest in top-notch product visuals. Professional design tools or hiring a designer can make all the difference in creating eye-catching, brand-aligned ad creatives. 3. Weak ad copy. Engagement hinges on persuasive ad copy. Highlight your product's unique advantages. Use persuasive language, address pain points, and clearly communicate the benefits your products offer. 4. Lack of testing. Optimization is key. A/B testing is your secret weapon. Experiment with different elements: headlines, visuals, formats, and calls to action. Use data to refine and refine again. 5. Ignoring mobile optimization. Mobile matters. Ensure your ads are mobile-friendly. Responsive design and fast loading times are non-negotiable. Test on various devices to guarantee a seamless user experience. 6. Ineffective call to action, CTA. Don't let your audience guess what to do next. Craft a compelling CTA that guides them clearly. Shop now, limited time offer, or get your discount today, can make all the difference. 7. Poor landing page experience. Your ad's journey doesn't end with a click. Your landing page must deliver. It should mirror your ad's message, offer a clear value, and provide a seamless user experience. Don't forget to optimize for speed. 8. Neglecting analytics. Finally, don't skip out on analytics. Implement tracking tools and dive into the data. Monitor metrics like center, conversion rates, and ROAS. Let the numbers guide your optimizations. By sidestepping these common pitfalls and implementing these solutions, you're poised for dropshipping success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing insights. Until next time, happy dropshipping!